Tikriya from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. I did completed my graduation BSc from Computer Science in 2023 from Acharya Nagarjuna University. After graduation, I searched from IT sector jobs. One of my friends suggested to eVision. eVision is a IT recruitment and consulting company. I will join 45 days duration course in eVision in networking. I learn about CCNA, virtualization, Windows administration, Linux administration, and cyber security, and all topics covered by lecturers and good teached by the lecturers and clarify the all doubts. After completed my course, I will go to the more interviews. I got a job in Value Point. The current is HAL with the CTC of 2.4 LPA. Thank you for eVision and total eVision team to join the eVision course to build your career. Thank you, sir.